The online class of biology. Me Shumaila Abbasi. Today our topic is animal tissues from the chapter cells and tissues. What are tissues? We are familiar with the level of structural organization of life and recognize tissues as a group of similar cells specialized for the performance of a common functions. In this topic we will learn about the major type of animals tissues. There are four types of animal tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissues. The first one is epithelium tissue. Epithelial tissues cover the outside of body and line organ and cavities. The cells in these tissues are very closely packed together. This tissues has many types. First one is pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, simple squamous epithelium tissues. Second type of animal tissues is connective tissues. As the name shows, connective tissues serves a connecting function. They mainly to bind and support other tissues. It support and bind other tissue. Unlike epithelial tissues, connective tissue has cells scattered through an extracellular matrix. Some examples of connective tissues are cartilage, around the end of bone in external ear, nose, trachea, bone and blood. The adipose tissues are also example of connective tissues. It provide energy and support organ. Third one is muscles tissues. Muscle tissues has the ability to contract and move the body. It is the most abundant tissues in animals. There are three types of muscles tissues, that is skeletal tissues, which is also known as striated muscles. Second one is smooth muscle and is also called unstriated muscles tissues, and the third one is cardiac muscle tissues. Fourth type of muscles in animal tissues are nerve tissues. We know that an animal's survival depends on its ability to respond appropriately to the stimuli from its environment. This ability requires the transmission of information among the part of bodies. Nervous tissues form a communication system and perform this task. This tissue is mainly composed of elongated cells with many branches, that is called nerve cells or neurons.